Hello, it's Marco from DPlugins, and today I'm talking about DBlocks and the CodePro. And the reason why I created it, because I often deal with animations, and to do something like this I usually need to go to the Figma, copy SVG, and then I need to paste it here. And for example, here I need to add ID, then I need to do it here, but I always need to keep an extra code editor, and it's shame because we can also add it to the WordPress. And also there is also limitation of the current HTML block, because you never have the preview when you reload the page. So if we do it like this, and if I do here HTML custom, you can have the preview, but if you save it and if you reload the page, you always end up with this. So if you go and transform it to the code block, you will have it right away as a preview. You can reload the page, you still have the preview. But if you have the split option, you are going to have the code editor right away. You can also disable it, and if you save the page, it stays disabled. But if you need to edit, you can just press the split. Also, you can format the code so it looks decent. And for our representation, we need to copy the ID. So let's just copy it, and we can type the ID. You can see there is Emmet autocomplete, and we just add the ID, and we don't need to use the Sublime. We can just close it. Perfect. So once I reload the page, you can see that animation is already working. So this is one of the reasons I created it, because if I go back, just delete it, add HTML, copy it again, SVG, paste it. You can see that this area is not editable. You don't have the space. So just convert it to the code blocks. You see that you don't have the space here, but here, or you can also resize it. And also I want to point that you can add the wrapper. Just a second. So you can see that we have the wrapper, or we can also disable the wrapper, and it's going to be the pure SVG code. So if you do it like this, you can see that there is no wrapper anymore. The first parent is the column block. So it's going to be native as it is. I also want to point that if you need to write your code from the scratch, you have the Emmet abbreviation, and it's going to work with the preview. So in case you need to do something like this, you can see that is working with the live preview as well. Also, this block, just a second, let's put it here, have the variation, and that's the code snippet. So you can convert it to the code snippet, and if you open it now, you can see that there is a code snippet. So you see the language that we're using, you have the copy code as well, so you can choose between the running code and also the code snippet. There is global settings. I move them from the sidebar to clean it up to here, and let's just have something smaller. This is values in pixels, and you can also decide if you want a copy button and a language button, and also you can choose between the light and the dark theme. So you can see we changed the theme. Also it's changed inside the editor. Also it's going to be the same editor theme here as well, because we're using the global settings. Hope you find this block useful for your cases, and you can just check what other plugins we have here as well, and also give us the comment what you like, what you don't like, and also how we can improve this one. Thank you for watching, and bye.